Okay, next we have the Too Tall Toby Challenge 240406. This tier 2 problem is a linkage. It's just some extrudes with a round. Very well could be done with a slot tool or a rounded rectangle tool. I'm going to use circles and rectangles just as a different way to work on this. Use the, make sure you're in pounds before you get started. So the dimensions are in inches, and here we go. I'm going to start with a sketch on the top plane. I'm going to use sketch regions in this. I'm going to start with the far right circle, and that dimension is given as the radius of 0.875. I can click on that diameter, switch to radius, 0.875. Not sure why that didn't refit. There's something's going on with my settings. It should have rebuilt that. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's add a couple of other geometries. So we're going to get the same outer dimension. We're going to get the same inner dimension. We're going to add another one over here. And we're going to add some rectangles. So we want to be vertically stacked here and here. Now, if you were to create the sketch inside of the extrude, which I do frequently recommend, let's keep for a second. Let's place that dimension, and then we can change this one. All right, so if you were going to sketch or extrude this from the sketch as is, you'd have a lot of cleanup to do, a lot of pieces to get rid of. But we can take advantage of the opportunity called sketch regions to select some of these key pieces and extrude them. So the first component of this extrude is 1. And the second component of this extrude is 1.375 as shown in the right view. Okay, so sketch regions allows you to kind of have some of that overlapping geometry that other CAD packages handle a little bit better. And you don't have to have those perfect sketches anymore. Okay. If you haven't heard it before, the sketch region is, there we go, only an option available for extrudes and revolves and the fill tool. So it's not available for every option when you're doing modeling. And you can kind of see what's happening if you go back and you edit the extrude that you used it for. It takes the sketch and it just projects the geometry around the regions that you selected. So that's what the Select Regions tool is doing for you. Really nice tool to have, option available. Not always available for all features though. If I'm still in Sketch Region and I select this geometry, right, I can use it for extrudes, revolves, fill, or for sketching. So those are the feature types that are available for that sketch region tool. All right, I hope that helped, and take care.